everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel. Well, it's not just a box, it's a subscription company. They do 3 different subscription boxes. They've kindly sent me these boxes for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about them. I'm going to be doing 3 separate mini unboxings because they do have a different theme in each. So today I'm going to be showing you a period box, and this is their Code Red care package box. The other 2 boxes are a pamper night box and a workout recovery box. So I'll be posting up those little mini unboxings over the next day or 2. So All You Need company is based in the UK, and they currently only ship their subscription boxes to the UK, but they are hoping to expand. So if you're interested in receiving any of their boxes, then they do recommend that you get in touch with them and have a chat with them. All links and everything related to these boxes I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So the cost of this Code Red care package box is £10.99 a month and £3.49 shipping. You're able to cancel any time. Inside contains sanitary protection, which you get to choose which you'd prefer, but as well as your sanitary protection, you'll find like heat pads, teas, sweet treats, and just all nice things to help you feel nice and better on your monthly period. If you're interested in purchasing a one-off box, you can do so for £12.49, and then there's £3.49 shipping on top. But as with all the subscriptions, everybody's first box is going to be the same. So say for instance you decide you're going to take out a subscription now in January, then you will receive what you see in this box. But then say if someone else decided to take out a subscription in July, first ever time they subscribed, they will also receive exactly the same box as what you'll see in this video. So say if you subscribe for a couple of months on the row, you'll get your first box, your second box will be different to your first, your third will be different to your first and second, and so on. It just means that everyone's first box will be exactly the same. Doesn't matter where in the year you subscribe. I hope I've made sense. I hope I have. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. Inside we get a little card, and it says, Claire, we hope you love your box. And then it says, all we need is for you to enjoy all you need. We aim to deliver the best possible products to fulfill all your desires during that special time of the month. Some worms, let's get rid of those. You might not be able to see much there. I've opted for pads. Now I don't actually use any sanitary protection. Well, I do use sanitary protection, but I've stopped using pads and tampons a couple of months ago. I use other things instead. I use like knickers and discs and things like that. So when they got in touch with me asking if I'd be interested in receiving these boxes, I thought, well, I'm going to give these to my daughter. We got 14 day pads. There's lots of sweet treats in here. We got 2 panty liners, and then we've got 2 night pads. The only problem I would say with that is that I prefer at least 2 more night pads. I personally suffer from really heavy periods, and yeah, day pads fine. I go through them like anything when I was wearing them, but night pads, I need at least 3 or 4 good, you know, strong night pads to get me through the nights, because my periods last for about 8 days, unfortunately. Even though it's great that we got 14 day pads, I do think maybe a couple of more night pads would be good. There's lots of gorgeous treats in here. Okay then, starting off with a Twinings Glow. I haven't heard of this one before. Strawberry and cucumber with green tea and aloe vera plus biotin. It contributes to the maintenance of normal skin and hair. So it's a little tea sachet. That sounds absolutely gorgeous actually. Next we've got a dry shampoo, and this is by Batiste, and we've got 50 mils here. Floral and flirty blush. A little mini dry shampoo. Then we've got a sheet mask. This is Power 10 Formula Yee sheet mask, and this is by It's Skin. It's a Korean sheet mask. It's a revitalising face mask. Next we've got some heat pads, which I think is brilliant for this type of box. I've received quite a few different period boxes over the years, and yeah, I don't think I've ever received heat pads in them. This is by Masterplast self-adhesive heat pads, ideal for period pain, stomach cramps and back pains. Lasts up to 8 hours, works instantly, comfortable and discreet, and there's 1 pad there. Yeah, I really like that. And then it's all on to the sweet treats. Maltesers, amazing chocolates, whatever. They're not chocolates really, are they? What are they? They're chocolate air. Chocolate air. So they don't feel like you're indulging too much. Then we've got a Lotus Biscoff to go with your little tea there. Then we've got some Oreos. Oreo biscuits. Oh, we got another drink. We've got a hot chocolate. A Cadbury's hot chocolate. Oh, I absolutely love these candy kittens. Absolutely stunning sweets. I love them. And we got blueberry bliss. Blueberry bliss. And then there's a couple Starbursts in there as well. So yeah, so those are all the items. I honestly think that this is a fab box. I really do like it. I think it would make an amazing gift to someone as well, or a teen maybe. This is obviously box 1, so it'd be interesting to see what like box 2, box 3, box 4 would be like, to see how they differ. But yeah, as a first box for your period, I think you got everything covered, haven't you? So we got all the sweet treats in there. We got hot chocolate, we got teas, biscuits, chocolates, a heat pad, some dry shampoo, a face mask, and all your sanitary protection. And they're all falling everywhere. The cost of the box is £10.99 and shipping £3.49, so that works out to be £14.50, something like that, based on what I've received. And as far as value goes, I don't think you're going to be saving much money by getting this subscription box. It's more of a monthly treat that you don't have to think about. So it's, you know, it'll be sent to your house. It's got everything you need to make your period go a little bit better than what it normally does. But yeah, if you were to go out and buy these all individually, I'm sure it'll cost a little bit less than what the box does. But it's how you think of it, isn't it, really? But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is this something that takes your fancy? Do you already subscribe? If you do, I'd love you to tell me what other boxes have been like. And yeah, or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.